Hi, my name is Jayla with JK Fitness. Welcome to Exercising for Beginners, where we discuss and demonstrate workouts and stretches.
Today we will be discussing and demonstrating the resistance band. The resistance band tones and strengthens muscles. It's a safe option for injury recovery, and it improves joint mobility and flexibility. When you use the resistance band, please remember to always stay hydrated. Know your limits, listen to your body, and follow all safety precautions for the resistance band and all other gym equipment.
My name is Jayla with JK Fitness. Thank you for working out with us. Make sure you subscribe down below and stay tuned for live updates for everything fitness.